Place a toothpick on your knife, and you will be very surprised by the result. I can assure you that once you finish watching this video, you will want to do it at home. And if it were not enough, I will also show you the reason why you should tie a towel on the broom. And if the home waterers are covered, I will teach you a method to uncover them quickly and easily, using only a plastic straw. Now let's get to know what it takes to place a toothpick on the kitchen knife. To do this, first we will take a small piece of adhesive tape, more or less this size. Then we get a wooden stick and place it on this part of the edge of the knife in this way. Then we just place the adhesive tape and fix it well. You may have noticed that when we cut wet vegetables in the kitchen, these tend to stick to the knife, causing it to be more difficult to cut and take longer. By placing the toothpick on the knife, this will help this not happen, so that you can make faster and more accurate cuts of your favorite vegetables and fruits. And now, in the second tip, I will show you why you should tie a towel on your broom. First, we fill an atomizer container with water up to half. Then we add half a lid with fabric softener and immediately close the container to beat it well. Then we take a broom and a cleaning towel. We cover the broom completely with the towel and hold the towel with the help of some tweezers to hang the clothes. Take advantage and tell me from which country you see me to send you a greeting in a next video. Today's greeting is for Susana Sani from Argentina. Thanks for watching each tip. Then we spray the broom with the pre-prepared mixture so that it is well soaked. This will be very useful for us to reach the difficult places on the roof of the house when we are cleaning, and that it is difficult for us to do with our hands. In these places, a lot of dust is usually stored, but thanks to this, you can get there much more easily and without hurting your body. Now I will show you how you can uncover the drains and pipes of your house using only a plastic straw. With the help of a scissor, we will make some cuts to the straw as I show you. You have to make enough cuts so that it stays in the shape of hooks. And it should look more or less like this. The drains are usually covered due to the amount of hair and moisture that accumulates over time. When a straw enters the drains, it will take care of removing the hair stuck in your pipes, and that way it will prevent you from having a visit from the plumber in the long run. If you have come this far, let me know which of these tricks was your favorite. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.
Hey.